नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे चैनल पर। आई एम रोहिणी एंड आई एम हियर टू हेल्प यू इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश स्किल्स. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. And here are 10 advanced words to use instead of very. So, instead of saying very bad, say atrocious. For example, her behavior was very bad last night. No, her behavior was atrocious last night. Instead of saying very neat, say immaculate. For example, my teacher's handwriting is very neat. No, my teacher's handwriting is immaculate. Instead of saying very nervous, say apprehensive. For example, Rita was very nervous for her inauguration ceremony. No, Rita was apprehensive for her inauguration ceremony. Instead of saying very rich, say wealthy. For example, Mr. Ahuja runs so many businesses. He is very rich. No, Mr. Ahuja runs so many businesses. He is wealthy. Brilliant. Instead of saying very weak, say frail. For example, we rescued a very weak dog yesterday. No, we rescued a frail dog yesterday. Instead of saying very tall, say towering. For example, my gym trainer is very tall. No, my gym trainer is towering. Instead of saying very shy, say timid. For example, she is very shy. She can't talk to boys. No, she is timid. She can't talk to boys. Instead of saying very colorful, say vibrant. For example, my neighbor's garden is very colorful. No, my neighbor's garden is vibrant. And instead of saying very painful, say excruciating. For example, seeing old people begging is very painful. No, seeing old people begging is excruciating. Okay, now the last word we have is very angry. Instead of saying very angry, say furious. For example, my dad got very angry after seeing my result. No, my dad got furious after seeing my result. So yeah, it's all for today guys. वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करके मुझे बताएं वीडियो कैसी लगी. अगर आपको वीडियो में कुछ भी कमी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय.